In this lesson, you can learn how to design this beautiful business concept slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color and go to insert and take this rectangle, drag this rectangle like this. I'm going to fix it. Okay, let me fix it. 15 centimeter will be okay, and let me make it a little bit bigger out of the slide. Okay, shape fill, white fill, shape outline, give it some gray color. Yes, and take a line segment, drag a line segment by holding shift to drag a straight line, and I'm going to give it some dark gray color. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Again, Control D to duplicate it, and likewise. Okay, select all lines, and I think so it's okay. It is aligned. Control G to group it, and I'm going to give it some 3D rotation. I am going to give it some manually 3D rotation to 98. I think so will be okay. Y rotation will be, let me fix it, 69 Z rotation, and I'm going to fix the, I think so I'm going to fix the Y rotation and increase the X rotation a little bit, and fix the Y rotation. Let me fix it. Okay, yes, now it's okay. 330, and I'm going to fix the Z rotation, increase little bit. Okay, for 3D format, and I'm going to give it some depth. You can give its depth according to your desired. Okay, I'm going to take this oval shape by holding shift alt and drag a small oval shape, white shape fill, and I'm going to mix the shape outline gray color and increase its width to 6 will be okay. I think so. Let me put it in a perspective and a 3D rotation, and take, I am going to this one and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Okay, let me align it according to the perspective of the page. I am going to align it. So let me align it with this line, and then I will put it at the edge of the page. Oh, sorry. Select me all and align with this line. So okay, I'm going to align it one by one. Okay, now select all these all shapes, and I think distribute it. I think we should align it manually, and it is now equally distributed. Let me select all these old shapes and put it at the edge of the page. Take this half hollow shape and I'm going to fix it. Shape fill, give it some gray color, and shape outline, make it no outline. Let me make it fix it, and I'm going to put it in a perspective. I'm going to put it in a perspective. Select and select this one, and now it's okay. And I'm going to put it in a hollow shape. It looks like that it goes in a hollow shape. Okay, let me put it here. Control D to duplicate it, and as well as I'm going to align it. Yes, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. Go to again insert and take I think so freeform shape, and drag freeform shape in a perspective according to the page perspective. Yes, and drag like this. I'm going to give it some gray color. Shape outline, make it no outline, and increase the transparency. Shape edit, and I'm going to fix it. Yes, now it's okay. Take this triangle and take another rectangle and drag another rectangle in the center of triangle, and I'm going to select both and go to fragment and select this one by holding shift and delete. Select both and shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to put it here. Edit shape and take this anchor point, and likewise select this half triangle and take this anchor point and move this anchor point like this, that it gives a perspective look according to the scene. Yes, I'm going to more color and make it the one side little bit darker, so it gives a 3D look. Control G to group it, and I'm going to place it here at the center of this rectangle. Take a rounded rectangle, again go to insert and take this triangle and rotate this triangle by holding this handle and put it here. Select both and make it union. I'm going to give this color. Shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to take a text box and let's write some 45%. Yes, select. Okay, and put it here over this shape. Oswald. Yes, and increase its size. Select all and group it. I'm going to put it in a perspective, going to 3D rotation and select this one and less, sorry, and put it here. I think it's okay now. Select both and put it here. Make it little bit smaller. Again, Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Make it more little bit smaller. And Control D to duplicate it and make it little bit more smaller. Yes. Select this one, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me change the numbers. 15% and this is going to 25%, and the third one is going to 35%. It's okay. Go to insert and take an all shape and drag an all shape by holding Shift Alt. Insert and take an all shape and drag an all shape by holding Shift Alt, and I'm going to give it some different color. Shape outline, give it no outline, and I'm going to put it in give it some 3D rotation, and I'm going with manually 3D rotation, so 314, and the X rotation will be 304 and the Z rotation I think so 52 will be okay. Let me give it some depth. Okay, and I'm going to give it some depth, and the shape will give it some different one color. I have this some images, some people. These are 100% SVG people. I will drop the link of this at the end. Let me select this one and change its color a little bit. You can change its color according to your desires. Okay, select all and make it at the center of the slide. I'm going to give it some 3D some shadow effects. Let me give it some shadow effect. I'm going to, with this one, transparency will be 75 roundabout, and size will be 109. I'm going to make it a little blur. Okay, go to insert and take this freeform shape, and I'm going to drag this freeform shape here like this. Okay, select here, click here, and again click here, at the center and click here, I think so, by holding control and click again and click, by holding control and click here, by holding control and click here also, and join with the okay. Here I'm going to give it some different color and send to back. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you for watching.